So non-destructive testing. Okay. So we have a testing where we do not destroy our material, our product, or component, and then we test their properties. Okay, that is known as non-destructive testing, NDT. Okay, so NDT is a technique used to inspect, test, or evaluate the materials, components, or structures without causing any damage. It is widely used in industries like aerospace, automobile, automotive, constructions, power plants, oil and gas, and manufacturing to detect flaws such as the cracks, voids, inclusions, porosity, and corrosion without affecting the usability of the tested material. So we don't destroy, we don't have options to damage the product. Without damaging the product, we take the test or we evaluate their properties. That is known as non-destructive testings. What are the key benefits of the NDT? No material damage means the tested part remains usable, so that we don't have to waste our money. Okay, someday what happens if you have the material and you have a component, if you design, if you have a kind of uh, uh, you know any usable product, and if you have a testing like destructive testing, then you are basically having a money associated with that. It means you just destroying a one component or one product, okay, which is obvious. It's a kind of the loss. Okay, so here it is a very good advantage that, I mean, after taking the test, you don't have to waste that material, waste that component, waste that product. You can use that product. So that is, it is a very good thing. So here we can save the cost. That's why here the cost is effective, prevent the failures and reduce the maintenance cost, ensure the safety and reliability in a critical applications, detect the internal and surface defects without disassembly. So without disassemble the product, we can detect the surface defects and all that. Okay, because we cannot go inside and we cannot break the parts, break the components, and without having that we have to measure the testing. So I mean, everything would not be possible to test here, because we can only go for such kind of a testing where we cannot destroy the material. Okay, so it will also depend on the type of properties that we are going to test.